Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back. I really do appreciate you for coming back. So today guys, I'll be doing a reaction video, about a minute video to SB19 with what? Mood film. So to see what they're going to be releasing to us soon, I can't wait for this new era. So let's get it started. Let's get it started. Hey. Okay. Oh. Come on with the visuals and storyline. Giving us music video, giving us story. I hope this album or this new project give us a music video for every song. I would love that. Please be Ken. Please be Ken. Or is that Stell? Bitch. Come through with the sounds. That was okay. So I wonder if they're gonna start releasing like 1 minute clip as the project get to this closer date. I'm so up. I'm ready for this new era. Good job, SB19. Welcome to 2021. I can't wait. I really do. Like I said before, I do enjoy this group, and I thank the ones who's giving me the opportunity, and also thanks to SB19 Invasion on Instagram and Twitter for the shout out. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to from SB19, feel free to leave a link below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Get prepared, March 9th. Bye.